Yeehaw! And welcome back to the Southern Snack, where life is too short to be serious. And it's back, finally, after, I think, a 2-year hiatus. The S'mores Blizzard is back at Dairy Queen. It uses graham cracker crunches, chocolate pieces, and I think there's marshmallow in the chocolate pieces. But anyways, I hope you subscribe, enjoy this video. It is the second time I've done a review on this. I don't usually go back and do reviews, but I felt this was going to be relevant, especially with the s'mores cookie returning to Crumble this week. Wanted to kind of give you a review on that, and I've got a TikTok / a short on here that's going to be uploaded. I don't know if before this review or not, to kind of give a quick comparison of the two. But with that said, I just knocked the camera down, and now we're not going to cut that out because I'm too lazy and it takes too much effort. But with that said, we're going to go ahead and pose for a thumbnail. I ask that you subscribe and like and comment on this video, and we're going to chow down. So yeah, S'mores Blizzard, let's chow down. No wonder people love this. That graham swirl is amazing. That's divine. And I don't remember if I've said that before. I have to go watch my past review. But that's delicious. Now, the chocolate falls a little short. And it kind of reminds me of their s'more, the Girl Scout s'mores cookie. So I think I'm going to like Crumbles. I think I like, sorry, those crumbles. Those graham cracker crumbles. But what I was saying, I think I like Crumbles cookie more. Just because I think the chocolate's better. But overall, this is a banger. I'd give it a straight up 9. Despite the chocolate being a bit cheap, I would give it a straight up 9. I do prefer Oreo Brookie from the summer lineup, but this is a fan favorite for a reason. So, it's the April Blizzard of the month. Should be available through August, I believe. So just keep that in mind. Other than that, go get it. Go get the s'mores cookie from Crumble. Well, that's out. If they make it right, it's absolutely delicious. It's supposed to be loaded, and I mean loaded, with graham cracker crumbles. But I know a lot of people haven't been getting the cookie made right. So it all depends on your crumble. If they make it right, it's absolutely amazing. So other than that, Dairy Queen and Crumble have really good s'mores items. So you don't want to miss out. Crumbles will probably be back probably mid-July. Can't promise, but I would think so. And this will be around. So maybe you want to get both, mix them together, make a big old milkshake. Heart attack, diabetes, milkshake thing. But anyways, hopefully this video gave you enough information, and I'll see y'all around.